Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am participating in the Show Us Your Elves challenge that is put out by Tina at Tina's Reborns, Penny at Playful Reborns, and J Dolls UK. And their theme this month was Feast, Famine, or Pets. So I brought out Tora McTavish, who's usually with a Leprechaun, and today she's with this cute little turkey. I don't even know where we found this. Probably garage sale. I just thought it was the cutest thing. Look at the boots. Isn't that cute? So obviously I am doing Feast, Thanksgiving Feast. The elf challenges are on the 21st of each month, and the hosts give the theme on the 7th of each month. Tora has on a little dress I made to wear to Thanksgiving. And one thing I like about this dress, the way I made it, is the next day she can stay over at her Thanksgiving host, turn her little dress around, and she's ready for Black Friday sales. And of course, for their feast, there were leftovers from Thanksgiving, so they'll be able to eat those again. Thank you so much to our host, Tina, Penny, and Jay. To join in on their challenges, all you have to do is dress up an elf, any kind of elf. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Tora's not standing just right. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.